Gosh. Okay, alright. So, in today's video, me and Coco will be exposing opreaGx for its bad activity, illegal activity, and I think they removed the illegal activity. But Opera was a good company. 16th century they were around too. A long time ago. People used to use them on that old phones. But here, I'm just gonna go ahead and go to opreaGx, the website right here. So if you have Brave or any ad block, you already know.
If you have any ad blocker, downloading or even trying to get Opera will not work because it has anti-ad block.
And then right here, CPS violation breakpoints. So basically, can't find the page, but basically what that is, it's like a thing about browsers that they can't do. Well, opreaGx is a browser it's just, they're bought from a Chinese company. Someone bought it. opreaGx bought it, and they went from there. But right now I paused the everything so I could like know anything, or so I couldn't like download it or anything. Alright. Download name opreaGx link keyword first. Okay. Right. Now we're going to search in virtual code studio. Now that that we saw, we're gonna go ahead and create a new one, and we're going to put it right here. Or here, instead of that, we're just gonna put it into our browser. We're fine. There has been a value attribute to link element with misconceived invalid characters according to the HTML specification due to environment such as slashy script or image file. A default. Okay, yeah, they do use JavaScript, so I'm not surprised they use JavaScript. I'm not saying it's anything bad. A lot of people use JavaScript normally for Minecraft, for sure.
Yeah,
Yeah,
opreaGx also uses JavaScript, which is absolutely.
and
I'm
they,
just kidding.
yeah, but like SNPs, SNP, I don't even know what it's called, MSPN. Or, no, I just said a TV show, bruh. So we're just gonna go and paste this into our browser. The net error indicates that a resource on a web page or application is being blocked by a client-side component, mostly commonly on a browser extension or security software. This error prevents resource from loading or functioning correctly. Basically, the stuff that's bad, your thing tries to block it. So you can go ahead and block right here, but
So yeah, basically,
pause it
if
right
you
here.
try to download Opera on that client, like a Brave client, like what he's using, it will not work because it will automatically delete because Opera's flagged as an ad on those clients.
And then it won't work properly because one to two reasons. First reason is it said it wouldn't work right, and when something doesn't work right, it's not gonna run right. It's gonna take all those files that are bad. So right here it says it blocks some trackers, so we can learn more right here. Here you should get Brave for the Brave Shield and everything. It's pretty good. I'm not sponsoring it or anything. Hope they sponsor me, but like ad blockers or anything, antivirus security software, suspicious or harmful content security. Okay, we will need this. We'll come back to this actually in a second.
Said that on my video, but okay.
CPS violation breakpoint right here. Trusted type of violation. They can toggle this when you. Pretty sure they can toggle this when you know something. But CPS
Besides,
violation breakpoints.
the only way you can stop Opera from spying on you is if you don't have a webcam, or if your webcam is broken. Anything that doesn't have a webcam.
Well,
But
and
it
also
can
your mic.
spy. Yeah, your mic too, but that doesn't matter because, well, that does matter because what if you use Discord on Opera, which is stupid?
Yeah, you should really get to know that. But content secure policy CPS directive. Websites can implement CPS to control which resources are allowed to load. If a resource violates the defined CPS, it will be blocked by the browser, potentially loading to this error. So basically, I think this is saying like they can block like add up pop-up ads and you know, we're gonna go back to the browser. Hold on. Browser. We're gonna go right here. We're gonna go back to inspect.
And besides, people say that people that sponsor Opera say that it's an ad blocker.
And really, some of them don't even download it. So, see,
No,
look,
it's
right here.
it's a Ching Chong spyware. Not trying to be racist, by the way.
He's not trying to be racist. Don't hate on him.
I'm just calling it Ching Chong because it's Opera.
It was not by them and everything. Trusted type violations. Right here, include third-party cookie issues. Here's where something is wrong, completely wrong. Include third-party cookie issues. There could be an ad popping up. You know how Opera used to take you to an extension sometimes?
Oh,
And it
yes.
would- yeah, I've heard a lot of people, it's done that to them. This is basically, well, like if an ad pops up, it tries to steal your cookies and everything. Content unavailable, resource not cache. Well, that's basically because
Yeah, so
I downloaded
the
it.
third-party cookie thing, they're basically trying to steal your cookies.
Yeah, like those cookie recipes. You see what happened to people when they've like clicked on them, the old people, or someone, an old lady clicked on it. Their socials, the guy wears a mask, he doesn't.
Okay, anyways, that would be the end of my video because it's been too long, and bye. I'll make a part 2 like tomorrow, probably.
He's gonna make a part 2, but that's basically it. I'll dig deeper into it later.
Yeah, I'm gonna make